Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am not showing my face just because I don't feel like being seen on camera today, but actually you can see me right here. So today I thought I finally film my perfume collection tour, I guess I would say. My husband recently got me this shelf right here. It is from IKEA and it is called the Detlef shelf, I think. It's made pretty much completely out of glass, so I try not to have all of my perfumes on top. I have like just a few here, and then when you go farther down I have most of them at the bottom. Then I also got some lights from Amazon, as you can see up here. It comes with a little remote control that you can just switch the colors and stuff. I prefer just have the white color. So yes, I will put a little disclaimer out there. Yes, my perfume collection is pretty excessive, and yes, I have a problem. I have definitely more perfumes than the average person does, obviously, as you can see right here. And I have also a little drawer right here, and I have another bin with perfumes that I do want to get rid of. That will be my next video. I do have a declutter coming up, but yeah. Definitely I'm aware I have a problem. I'm collecting perfumes at this point. So yeah, let's just jump right in. I'm a little bit unsure how this is gonna go, because just the way, like, you know, I don't know, I wanna drop anything. So it comes with a little magnet. I'm super careful. So like I said, everything is out of glass. So I will not go over notes like about any of these perfumes. I will probably briefly mention yes or no if I would repurchase them or not. But as you can see, I have a lot of perfumes, so we just want to go through them as quick as possible. We don't want to be here for the next hour or so. So yeah, I'm just gonna mention what kind of perfume it is, and I will answer with yes or no if I would repurchase them. And also I do want to say, all of these perfumes that I have here, I love all of them. There's not one that I don't like. It's just, you know, I have so many perfumes. I don't need to be repurchasing all of them just because I have so many and I want to try different perfumes. So yeah. So back here we have Chanel Coco Mademoiselle, the intense version. And yes, I would repurchase this one, but I would only repurchase the regular one, not the intense one. Back here we have Armani Code Cashmere. Yes, I would definitely repurchase that one, but that one is unfortunately discontinued and very hard to find. So back here we have Armani Code, the original. Yes, I would repurchase it, but I did love it more 10 years ago than I do now. So back here we have Alien Extraordinary, I think it's called. No, I would not repurchase that one. I would actually repurchase the original Alien EDP. Right here we have Montguerlain Eau de Toilette. I would repurchase the, well, I don't have it, but I would, next time I get a Montguerlain, it would be the Eau de Perfume and not the EDP. Back here we have Jean Paul Gaultier, I think it's called Essence Absolute, and it's nice, but I would not repurchase that one. Then we have this beautiful Jean Paul Gaultier La Belle. I would actually, next time I would buy it, I would get the intense version that just recently came out. And then we have Scandal by Jean Paul Gaultier, and next time, if I ever run out of any of these, I would get the night version, I think they have. Yes, definitely. Then we have Lancôme La Nuit Trésor, the original. Yes, absolutely, I would repurchase that one. Bottle is absolutely beautiful. I am curious about the à la folie. So yes, I think next one I will get the à la folie. So down here we are at the second shelf, and I don't know why I'm nervous. Like, my heart is beating so fast. I don't know why. Okay, so back here we have Gucci Flora EDP. It's nice, but I would not repurchase that one. We have Guerlain Insolence Eau de Toilette. No, I would not repurchase that one. This is Valentino Voce Viva or Viva Voce, something like that. Yes, I would repurchase that one. Right here we have the original Chloe EDP. Yes, I would repurchase that one. We have Poison Girl EDP. Yes, I would repurchase that one. Pure Poison EDP. Yes, I would repurchase that one. Hypnotic Poison. Yes, I would repurchase that one. Then we have YSL Libre Intense. Yes, I would repurchase that one. Versace Crystal Noir. Probably not. Valentino Poudre. No, I would not repurchase that one. On to the third shelf. I hope I'm not too shaky. I hope the camera is focusing too. So you have a nice little view. Whew, okay, so we have Tom Ford Noir Perfume. Absolutely, yes, I would repurchase. We have Chanel Chance EDT. Yes, absolutely, I would repurchase. We have Versace Versense, I think it's called. Would not repurchase. Chill Sander Sun EDT. Yes, I would repurchase. Several times I've had already. Chill Sander San EDP. I hope I said EDT with the other one. Yes, I will repurchase that one. Mon Girl, no, it's, what is it? La Petite Robe Noire Eau Fraiche from Guerlain. No, I would not repurchase that one. There's pistachio note in there that kind of makes me nauseous for some reason. Then we have, what is it? Dylan Blue Versace. No, I would not repurchase. Terry Mugler Angel Muse. Yes, I would repurchase. We have the original Armani Seed EDP. Yes, definitely. Armani C Passione. Yes, I would. I just love this line in general. Armani C Fiori. Yes, definitely. And then we have the new Armani C EDP. Oh, Intense. God, it's gorgeous. Love this one. Then we have the Bulgari Omnia Coral. EDT, I don't know. No, it's nice, but it's so nice that it's kind of boring actually. It reminds me a lot of Marc Jacobs Daisy. Back here we have Dolce Garden from Dolce & Gabbana. Beautiful bottle, would not repurchase it. And then we have KKW, what is it, the Silver Hearts? Silver, actually really nice, kind of reminds me of Valentino Donna Born in Roma. Yes, I would repurchase. Oh my god, I'm squeezing this corner and I'm out of breath. This is a little bit harder right back here. So we have Lancome La Vie Belle Intense Man. Yes, absolutely. Original La Vie Belle. Yes, absolutely. La Vie Belle L'Eclat EDP. Yes, absolutely. This one is the new one. The Soleil Crystal bottle is gorgeous. Haven't played too much with it, but I do love it, especially for summer. I think it's gonna be really nice. Flower Bomb by Rick and Rolf. Classic. Yes, absolutely. Dolce & Gabbana. The Only One Intense. Absolutely, yes. The Only One, no. The original OG, The Only One, yes. Valentino Donna Born in Roma, absolutely love it. But kind of something is in there that kind of tickles my nose, so I'm not sure. Then we have Armani My Way, absolutely gorgeous, yes, love it. And then we have a little bottle of Juicy Couture, Gold Couture, love it. Very easy, basic perfume to put on. Girl of Now, original, no, I would not repurchase. This is Paris Hilton, I think it's called Gold Rush or something. To me it smells very similar to the Juicy Couture one, so no, I would not repurchase that one. Sorry. Then we have Elisa Le Parfum. Yes, I would repurchase. It's a classic. Then we have Michael Kors Glam Jasmine. No, I would not repurchase it. It's almost too boring, honestly. YSL Manifesto. Honestly, no, I would not repurchase this one. And then we have Dior Addict. If you have been watching my channel, then you know the answer to that one. Then we have Sadiq and Volterra. This is her. Actually, I love it more than I used to. Kind of, yes, I would repurchase that one. the Dolce & Gabbana 3 L'Imperatrice, or whatever you say. It's nice, but unfortunately it doesn't last at all, so no. Then we have Oscar de la Renta, Bella Rosa. It's nice, but it doesn't last, so that is no. And then we have Michael Kors, Wanderlust. Yes, I love this one, so yes. Whew. Okay, 10 minutes in. We're not done. Alright, let's close this one. I don't know, I'm out of breath, so much talking. So this is like where I used to store all my perfumes. I do have a lot of makeup in this shelf right now. But here I have my Cloud perfume. Yes, I would repurchase that one. It's just setting spray and lipsticks. We have Britney Spears perfumes. This is, what is this, Curious, I think? It's cute, but I wouldn't repurchase that one. And we have Midnight Fantasy. Yes, I would repurchase that one. The Original Fantasy, yes, I would. And then we have the Intimate Fantasy. No, I would not repurchase that one just because. And over here, this is, I just got that one last week, Jimmy Choo Fever, and oh my god, if you have not tried this perfume is everything. I love this one. Here, I just have a few samples, Montguerlain, Chanel, Mancera, Coach, Chanel, just, you know, just a few samples, so nothing crazy over here. And oh my god, like I said, I have one bin that I will not show here, that will come up in a declutter video, but this is the last drawer. Okay. Whew, let's do it. Oh Jesus. Oh. Okay, so we have Swiss Arabian Casablanca. No, I would not repurchase that one. Then we have Jimmy Choo, the original Jimmy Choo. This is a tester why it didn't. This is why it didn't come with a cap. I'm not sure yet if I would repurchase that one. Then we have Guess Seductive Noir. Really nice. Yes, I would repurchase that one. Then we have Dolce & Gabbana Perfume. Really nice, but it has performance issues, so no, I would not repurchase that one. Oh, let me hold my camera with a different hand now. Okay, then we have Agent Provocateur Fatale. Yeah, it's nice, but it reminds me a lot of Thierry Mugler's Angel, and that's what I probably would get next. Let me pick this one up. Sofia Vergara Love. Yes, I love this one. Absolutely would repurchase that one. This is Adam Levine, the original. I guess he just had one. It's really nice, actually. I think this is expired, to be honest with you. As you can see, the shoes looks very, very dark. Was so affordable, like $10 for the big bottle. I can tell when I spray it at the beginning it's expired, but yeah, it is really nice once the dry down hits. So yeah, but still probably would not repurchase that one. Ariana Grande Ari, as you can see I used that one. I would not repurchase that one. I probably will get the Sweet Like Candy next. Then of course original DKNY Be Delicious. I don't know through how many bottles I went, I would always repurchase that one. Then we have DKNY Nectar Love. No, I would not repurchase. We have La Rive in Flames. That smells like Paco Rabanne Olympia. No, would not repurchase that one. We have from Zara Mimosa Cloud, who kind of smells like pretty much identical to Ariana Grande Cloud. This is much sweeter though, so I would not repurchase that one. I would get the Ariana Grande next time again. I mean, if I ever run out. Then we have Jessica Simpson Fancy, the OG. Yes, I would repurchase that one. We have Sofia Vergara, Sophia. No, I would not actually repurchase that one. Oh my goodness. Then we have Zara, Violet Blossom. No, oops, Jesus Christ. I would not repurchase that one. We have the Vanilla Eau de Toilette from Anthropologie. No, I would not. I use it for layering mainly. Then we have Lovely, I think. Yeah, Lovely from Sarah Jessica Parker. It's nice, but it does smell like, I hate to say it, you know, perfume is very personal, so don't take offense to what I'm about to say, but it kind of does smell like old grainy-ish, so yeah. Then we have the Lalique Amethyst. Yeah, I would repurchase that one, honestly. We have Hugo Boss Deep Red, and it's all scratched. And this used to be my going out scent when I was like 16 years old, and I purchased like probably 10 bottles by now. So yes, I would always repurchase that one because it has sentimental value. Sarah Gardenia, which doesn't smell like gardenia. It smells like YSL Black Opium, but it had like a weird note in it. It almost smells like a chocolate note, but there's no chocolate in there. So I mean, this was very cheap, so no, I would not repurchase that one. We have, I know a lot of people don't know that unless you're from like Germany or Europe. This is Bruno Banani. I think, I don't know, just Bruno Banani. It's very good. Went also through several bottles of that one. So yes, I would repurchase that one. Then we have Coach Dreams. Actually, that just came out with a new one. This is very underrated. Yes, it's very generic, but it's a very nice perfume. But yeah, no, I would not repurchase that one. Then we have Sarah Nuit. I think that smells like Girl of Now from Elisa. So no, I would not. Razazi. We have Jasmine West from Razazi, and if you ever buy this and you're concerned that the bottle comes half empty, it's normal apparently, which sucks. Actually, I would repurchase that one. Yes, comes to a surprise because it used to be in a declutter video, and all of a sudden I liked it. Almost done. We have Burberry Brit Sheer. It's just very easy to wear eau de toilette. Yes, I would actually repurchase that one. Last but not least, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Eau Intense. It's nice, but I'm not sure if I would repurchase, to be honest with you, because it doesn't last on me at all, even though it's the intense version. Oh my god, we have made it to the end of this video. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, like I said, this is my perfume collection right here. Like I said, I know it is excessive. Okay, excessive, that's what it is. But hey, I'm a collector and it's what I do. It makes me happy. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.